Here are some highlights of the February issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. 166 million gallons lost, but a new way to get them back. Castle Rock Water is deploying hydrant-based hydrophones and AI triangulation to find leaks before they become catastrophic. Learn how to move your crew from midnight emergencies to scheduled maintenance. Slopes of 50 degrees, 50-inch deep water, and active railroad tracks. No site is off limits for McVac. Get an inside look at the specialty equipment and crew that tackles the Northeast jobs others won't touch. Think your system is too small to be a target? In 2024, hackers caused a Texas water system to overflow before operators could pull the plug. From Russian hacktivists to simple billing breaches, see why rural utilities are the new front line. The clock is ticking on PFAS compliance. With testing due by 2027 and remediation required by 2031, do you have your pathway set? Get the roadmap you need in Municipal Sewer and Water. Pressurized lines in the Grand Canyon, massive pumps for the New York Bridge, persistent clogs in a growing Midwest town. We're profiling the heavy-duty solutions that thrive where others fail. If you're facing a one-of-a-kind challenge, we've got the case study for you. Only in Municipal Sewer and Water. Meet Greaseball, Oil McSlick, and Biggieberg, the villains costing Stafford County over $1 million a year. But there's a new hero in town. Captain Clog is teaching the next generation to protect our pipes. Complacency is the ultimate hazard. When the risk can't be eliminated, your procedures are the only thing standing between a safe shift and a catastrophe. For years, the impact of styrene on treatment plants was mostly guesswork. Now, NASCO Phase 4 research has the numbers. You'll find the next generation of trenchless rehabilitation in the product focus. Aquajet's AquaCutter 450 series provides selective concrete removal that keeps sewer pipes structurally sound. All this and more is in the latest issue, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.